my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have with me an eyeshadow palette from the brand Beauty Glazed. Now, this shadow palette I really enjoyed using. I came up with this makeup look. If you like berry tones, warm tones, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. Okay, these are available at AliExpress and Amazon, but I would refrain from buying from Amazon because of duplicates or fake products. Preferred buying directly from Beauty Glazed at AliExpress. This is the Rock Metal eyeshadow palette. Let me show you the shades. It doesn't have a mirror. It comes with the 16 shades. Absolutely beautiful colors. And coming up is a video of how this performs on my eyes and how I came up with this makeup look for today. So these are the colors. Let's go through them. You get mattes. This is matte, and the black in this is amazing. Just a smidgen gives you in such intensity, and this berry shade here is such a unique color which I love using, especially if you like using berry tone lipsticks like I do. You will love berry tone shades like this, which is so hard to find. Okay, and one thing about these colors is they have these foiled shades which are wet. They feel wet to the touch. They are foiled shades and have to be applied with your fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 foil shades are here. I have a separate video swatching them in daylight for you. So these are what the foil metallic shades look like. I used this foil shade on my lids today. You can see that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this palette, so that's why I wanted to share this with you. Let's swatch these. Beautiful colors. Such pretty shades. You get a better picture of them when you see them on my swatch video. Okay, so if you're interested on how this performs on the eyes, continue watching.